When you're ready, GitHub Copilot for Azure helps facilitate automated deployment to Azure, completing the app modernization process. When the Copilot agent is requested to deploy your application, it creates the required infrastructure as code files, deploys the application, addresses any deployment errors encountered, and sets up CI/CD pipelines. GitHub Copilot for Azure is a separate extension today, and efforts are underway to integrate it with GitHub Copilot App Modernization for Java. In this video, I will show how you can use GitHub Copilot for Azure deploy an application to Azure. To get started, I ask Copilot Agent to deploy my project to Azure. Copilot Agent performs a few steps, including analyzing my project and checking Azure region availability to generate the necessary Bicep files. When using the generated files for deployment, Copilot Agent encounters an issue, so we ask it to check whether these files are valid for deployment. Copilot Agent looks at all the Bicep files and starts fixing any inaccuracies. We double confirm and accept the changes as Copilot progresses. Copilot generates Bicep files that are mostly correct, but sometimes we need to help it fix errors. Here, we noticed a few incorrect references in the Bicep files and remove them. Now that the Bicep files look correct, we ask Copilot to continue to deploy our project. Copilot runs azdup in the terminal. There's a deployment error related to PostgreSQL networking. We ask Copilot to fix it. While Copilot did fix the networking issue, it kept a few empty references. Let's help remove it before continuing. I asked Copilot to deploy, but it couldn't access Azure Container Registry. Let's try it again by logging in with AZ-CLI first, and this time the redeployment was successful. In summary, GitHub Copilot for Azure paves the way for an automated, repeatable deployment. It is an iterative process that requires the user to work with the Copilot to grant access, validate deployment files, and sometimes resolve small issues to achieve a successful deployment.